Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're gonna be doing a unboxing try-on haul with Gymshark's Black Friday sale that they were having. So let's get started. Okay, got my package. Came rather quick. I ordered it like a week ago, and it's coming from the UK. Okay, so this is the fraction crop top black white extra small. Super cute. I like this. I've been eyeing this, I think from last sale, but I didn't want to pay full price, so I'll link down below where to get this. Cute. Oh my god. I can't wait to try this on. So I absolutely love this top. It's so cute. I like that it's like half the name. So it's like very like purposely done looking kind of look. So yeah, yes, I love this top. Ooh. 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 Alright, so I got this like, I got the Pippa training pullover white extra small. This is a crop. So I got extra small. I love that this part is like stretchy right here. So I can't wait to try this. Oh my god, this looks so cute. And it has the, I like that they put their like logo on like different places, not just like the normal like on the chest area. This is on the shoulder. It's nice. It's so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this on. This one is the training 7/8 leggings black extra small. So I am 5'3", and that's gonna be close to a crop kind of legging. It's a thin material. It's not thin, but it's like lightweight. Okay. It's lightweight. So I feel like 7/8 is gonna work out for me because I'm short. So us short girls are gonna win in this game. So I absolutely love this look. This is so cute. Look at that. I see that. It's cute. It's a bit like if you were just wearing a bra, you can definitely see my bra. But honestly, this is like my kind of outfit. So, you know, the leggings are good. I just feel like there's just sliding a little bit. They're supposed to be high-waisted, but they're not super like compressed. Just like leggings. I don't know. I like it. It's not bad. The tags. But honestly, yes, I love. This is what the back looks like. So very cute. This is my fall look as leisure wear. Yes. Love. Okay, so I got a movement mesh crop pullover black extra small. It's like kind of, it's a cropped hoodie kind of thing. Ooh, and it's thick. It is thick. I like the mesh detail. Very athletic-ish. It's a hoodie. And on the back, it says, be a visionary. I love their little mission statement kind of thing. And I like that the shoulder part, the sewing part is like a little bit more drooped on the bottom. So it's more relaxed look for it. And yeah. And yes, it's a crop. So I can't wait to try that on. This one is the non-stop leggings black extra small. I got this because I like that there's a zipper in the back, so I guess you can always put your phone if you're running or like money or something like that. And it has freaking side pockets, yeah, for my phone if that actually would fit. I don't really know, but there's like a cool little zipper on the left side of the leg. Ah, it's very spandex, so it's nice. So yeah, like I'd probably use this more for traveling, just because I like leggings when I travel, and then I can just lightweight, keep it smooth, keep it clean. So yeah. And then last but not least, I got the heavy resistant band because the one that I bought from Target broke. I'm so mad. This was, this is the cotton. Oh my gosh, wow, okay. So this is it. Is it? Oh, so it's sewed. Okay. And then there's like rubber grips, I guess. So that's nice. So prepare. wow, this. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have a bigger butt at the end of winter because dang, this is. I'm gonna be in pain. I know that for sure. So I can't wait to try this on. Okay, so this is the non-stop leggings. See how they just cut up right above my ankles is where I like it to be. And then, let's look closer. The zipper, probably fit like a card wallet maybe. And then the phone, maybe the phone, but it'll be sticking out. Or yeah, you can probably fit the phone. And then, there's no pocket. Oh, and then there's another pocket right here. Okay. And then there's another pocket here, right? Or oh yeah, here's another pocket. Like right here. And then right here's a pocket. So yeah, I love these leggings. It's a bit compressed here, so that's nice. Not too much, but like comfortable enough. And then here's the hoodie. Hoodie's right here. Do I have? Okay. So this is like a little kangaroo pouch, which is nice because it's cute. And you can just put the hoodie on top. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Like my kind of look. Get a closer look. See? And so there's like room to stay. This. And just add my hair. We'll just put in the back for now. But yeah. Very cute. This is like my kind of look, so. Oh yeah, and then the back says, I think, says be a visionary. So yeah, I see how it slouches down here. That's what I like. It's very like relaxed and not like have to be super fitted. So yeah, this is. Let's try out this this one. Let's see if I can squat in this. Wow, I'm gonna thick ass later. Yeah, no, I should have got medium. This is like really, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video because I surely did. So please give me a like and subscribe, por favor. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know which one's your favorite. Ooh, my bad, buddy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.